Buckle up, we're gonna clean. Dining room helper style.
Looks like Leslie is ready to clean tables. The solutions are located right here. Alright. Towels are located here, right under the soy milk. Start by picking up the large debris. If you're wearing an apron, you can place it in your apron pockets until you have time to go back to the dish return. Doo-doo-doo-doo, it's over here. Go, Leslie, go.
Don't run.
Don't run. There, that's where it should go. Alright. Then, move the table decorations off to the side or on a chair as Leslie is doing. Then you can spray down the table and wipe it, making sure you get all of the surface and the sides. Looking good. Also, if the chairs are dirty or have crumbs on them, you can wipe off the chairs. Very good, Leslie. When you're ready, place the table decorations back on the table and set them up exactly like this. Make sure all the table decorations line up on the long tables in a straight line. Make sure to check the table decorations and wipe them off if they're dirty, and go through the napkins so you don't have any gross napkins hanging out in there. When you run out of cleaning solution, you can fill it up in the closet in the dish room. Make sure to match the appropriate chemical orange with the orange bottle as Leslie is doing. There we go, all better. Alright, so to stack bowls you make 3 rows and you start between the metal bars. So the first row is on the ledge, the second row immediately in front of that, and then a third row in front of that. When you're finished, these 2 rows should only be 5 bowls high, and this row only 4. Stacking bowls any higher than this will be a falling hazard, and you would have to watch our safety video again to learn how to pick up broken glass. When stacking cereal bowls, you can stack them off to the side like this. Alright, or underneath. And if they're underneath, no more than 5 high, as 6 is hard to get if you reach in with your hand. When stacking plates, you can stack them underneath and then also on top so the servers can use them. And remember to only stack them about half as high as this top metal thing right here. Right there. Half as high. Look at, yeah. That's pretty good. Alright, when putting plates in the under the counter storage places, make sure not to stack them more than 10 high, as you can't get the 11th plate out because they're stacked too darn high. This stack of plates is 12 high, and Leslie is struggling to pull out the plates. You don't want our customers to do that. There we go. Finally, see how long that took? So don't stack them too high, or else. When putting out salad plates, stack them into 3 piles like this, so they look pretty around the corner. When placing salad plates in the underneath storage, make sure not to stack them more than 16 high. When it's time to put coffee mugs out, you can take one of the blue trays and one of the racks. You can also wheel the whole thing out if you need a lot of coffee mugs. And this is where they go. Arrange the coffee mugs neatly on the blue tray. When that is full, put another blue tray on top and arrange them neatly and compactly again Alright, and then no more than 4 levels of coffee mugs, as this will become dangerous and hazardous. Way to go, Leslie. Way to stock those mugs. When placing dessert plates out, stack them into 3 rows along this edge and no higher than that metal bar. When putting dessert plates underneath, make sure to not stack them more than 14 high, because the 14th one is just easy enough to grab. Time to do silverware. Push out the big silverware cart to the other silverware carts in the dining area. Wow, this really needs some silverware. Let's put some more out. First, make sure to consolidate any silverware cups that you can. Like that. And take out the old ones thusly and place new ones in. And the old silverware cups go back to the dish room, so keep them separate. They need to be washed. When placing silverware cups underneath, make sure you have knives in a row or 2 on this side, forks in the middle, and then spoons, making sure to separate out the soup spoons from the regular spoons. Cups are located here. Make sure to carry them like this. And cups go here, by the other cups next to the soda machine. Alright, consolidate the cups that you have so that you can get rid of the old wire rack and place the new one there. If you have time, you should level out the cups so that they are 8 high. And they look pretty. Like that. Napkins are located in this closet, the one next to the checkers. Alright, napkins are on that shelf. You saw Leslie just grab them. Alright, let's go fill napkins. When filling napkins, make sure to take the old napkins out and place the new ones underneath. And make sure that the napkins are facing this way up with the flap up so that you can grab one napkin at a time instead of grabbing the whole stack and wasting it. If you ever find yourself needing to fill salt and pepper, the materials you need are located here in the same closet. And the napkins are over here, salt and pepper over here. Napkins, salt and pepper. Ah! All in this closet. Cool.